Hey friends. Today, we are going to do an unboxing. The product is a pendrive. The name of the pendrive is Sandisk Ultra. This is the 32 GB variant of Sandisk Ultra. It is a USB 3.0 pendrive. So, let's get started. I bought the pendrive from Amazon for 509 rupees. There is no other things except the pendrive in the package. The pendrive looks so stylish. Let's take the pendrive out. It has a premium look. It's somewhat hard to pull it out and in. You have to get the knack. Let's try plugging it in. I plugged it to the USB 3.0 port in my laptop, so I can check the real speed. There is an installer of Sandisk Secure Access software in the pendrive. We can see that on all Sandisk pendrives. I'm not installing it now. Let's try copying something to the pendrive. I copied a video file of 3 GB. I started copying at 2:48 p.m. In the starting, it is showing a speed of 20 Mbps. Let's check how much time it takes to copy a 3 GB file. The copying finished at 2:54 PM, so it took 6 minutes to copy a 3 GB file. Let's calculate the average speed. The file is of size 3.01 GB, which is 3082 MB. It took 6 minutes, which is 360 seconds to copy the file. So the speed is 3082 divided by 360, which is 8.56 MB per second. So, we have calculated the average speed, but it may vary. In my opinion, this is a very good pen drive for this price. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe.